Hey guys, welcome back. So finally results day has arrived. Before I get into it, I just want to make a quick announcement. So I've finally got some new Dave.G.Designs merchandise. So I've got these Dave.G.Designs keyrings, but more importantly I've also got some limited edition Makers Showdown Dave.G.Designs keyrings. So there's only a limited number of these, so what I'll be doing is I'll be giving away these to the actual makers themselves, because I felt it's only fair that they get a little something out of it. So Joe and Pam, there'll be one of these winging their way over to you guys. So if you remember in episode 1, Joe from Average Joe's Joinery made his wooden zoetrope. Now, although it was won, the person that won it never actually got in touch with me to send it out. So therefore, I'm going to do another draw at the end of this video for Joe's zoetrope. So stick around till the end. It will be after this episode and before the blooper reel. So yeah, stick around to the end and you'll see. Okay, so without further ado, let's get back to the business at hand. Just as a quick recap, in this episode we had the Beard X16 going up against Huey Lionheart, and the Beard made his small lined box with laminated card, and Huey Lionheart made his wood and metal box with some really cool etching on the top of it. So I can confirm the votes have been counted and verified, and the winner is the Beard X16. So it's congratulations to Richard and commiserations to Huey, but I think you'll agree that both makers did an exceptionally good build, and it was a great fun project. Whatever happens, you'll be getting your Makers Showdown limited edition keychain. Ta-da! So the last thing left to do is to decide on our lucky viewers who's going to win which prizes. So the first winner will receive Richard's box, the second winner will get Huey's, and the third winner will get my walnut cribbage board box type thing. I've gone to commentpicker.com. I've pasted in the URL for my video, and you can see here that we've got 55 unique commenters. So as we scroll down, we get our start button, and this is going to randomly select our first winner. So good luck everyone, and the first winner will win Richard's box. You can see all the commenters pinging past, and the winner is Gordon Aitchison. So now we're going to pick another winner. So this person will win Huey's entry. The winner is Callum Dykes, and the third winner will win my cribbage board. And the winner is Reg T. So congratulations to all the winners. Gordon Aitchison has won Richard's laminated box. Callum Dykes has won Huey's wood and metal box with the etched logo on the top, and Reg T has won my cribbage board. So congratulations to all three of you, and if you want to contact me through any of my social media channels, feel free to do so. Send me your details and we'll get those sent out to you as soon as possible. Okay, so I've gone back to the comment picker and I've put in the URL from the first episode of Makers Showdown. I'm going to scroll down and click start. We can see all the comments there pinging past. And the winner is John Wills. Congratulations, John. You'll be receiving Joe's Zoetrope. All you need to do is just get in touch with me and send me your details so we can get it posted out to you as soon as possible. So there we have it, another episode of Makers Showdown complete. Thanks so much for joining in, I really do appreciate it, and hopefully I'll see you at the next one. So for now, enjoy me messing stuff up. Cheers guys. There'll be one of these winging their way towards you, and yeah, I'm not going to throw it at you. Okay, so just as a quick recap then, in this episode, and Louis made his wood and metal box on my Facebook, Instagram, or message me through So congratulations to Richard. Okay, so now we get on to the important part where people get to... Why do I keep poking my eye? You'll be getting your Makers Central. Makers Central is going to win Richard's box. The second one is going to win Huey's box. And the third person is going to win my... Not that one. That's not the right one. And the third person... So the first one is going to win Huey's box. The second person is going to win... No, it's not Huey's box. Oh my God, how hard is this? Happy making. Lucky that'll do.